Have you wondered that every time that we look or stare at the clock, it feels like time passes by slower? But if we do something else, like doing schoolworks or something fun, like playing video games, it feels like time passes by quickly.
So, what makes us perceive time differently?
But first, let's determine what affects time. Velocity time dilation under the theory of special relativity was proposed by Albert Einstein, in where it states that the faster you move in space, your time moves slower.
Because time slows down when you move at the speed of light, and getting closer to that speed would make your time run slower.
Gravitational time dilation under the theory of general relativity was also proposed by Albert Einstein, but this time it states that the stronger the gravity, the time passes by slower.
This type of time dilation occurs due to strong gravitational field that causes the space and time to curve that results to slower time progression.
So going back to our trivia question, what is the reason why each one of us perceive the passage of time differently?
If you notice that time seems to move more quickly the older you are, it might suggest that time perception depends on the way how our eyes and brain send and perceive images. The more we're familiar with the task, the lesser information our brain needs to process, which makes us feel that time passes by quickly. For conclusion, time is not absolute. It's not like we're following a certain universal clock that dictates the time of everything.
Because again, according to Albert Einstein, time is relative and flexible, and the dividing line between past, present, and future is an illusion, which makes each one of us perceive time differently, because it doesn't matter if you're aware or not, time will always keep